Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll explore the chat interface, a powerful tool for managing real-time customer conversations across multiple messaging channels. The chat window enables guests to communicate seamlessly via WhatsApp, Viber, SMS, Telegram, and more. All messages from a customer across all channels are shown in a single, unified conversation thread. Let's look at the key elements of the chat interface. Use the search bar to find a customer by name or phone number. Sort conversations by newest or oldest, or filter to view only unread messages. The name of the active chat is displayed in the main window. This indicates whether chatbot automation is active for this chat. Once an agent joins the chat manually, the bot pauses for 60 minutes. Quickly find specific messages within the current conversation using the in-chat search. A panel on the left side shows all current chat threads. Click on any to open it. Each chat displays all available messaging channels for that customer. Each message appears in a chat bubble. Channel icons indicate the platform, and timestamps show when messages were sent or received. Messages may include interactive elements like quick replies or buttons. Choose the optimal channel for your customer and you for your next reply. Agents can easily switch between channels as needed. Type your replies here in the message area. Depending on the selected channel, you'll see different rich messaging tools. Each message is limited to a number of characters, which varies based on the channel in use. You can also add emojis to personalize your replies. Click the Send button to send your message. Agents can move between channels effortlessly while keeping the full customer conversation history in front of them. No context lost. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.